In the last video, I showed you how Claude Cowork organizes tax documents like 1099s and W-2s. Today, I'll show you something even more powerful. Claude is now inside Excel. If you're an accountant or bookkeeper, you know the pain of sorting out months of bank transactions. Hundreds of rows, and you need to categorize every single one for tax reporting. Income, expenses, transfers, investments. It takes forever. I used Badbank AI to convert 12 months of credit card PDFs into this spreadsheet of 1,000 clean, standardized, and reconciled transactions. Reconciled means that 100% of the transactions are accounted for and nothing is missing or duplicated. Here are the transactions all in one spreadsheet. Clean payee names, dates, amounts, but no expense categories. Now watch this. I just brought up Claude directly inside Excel. This is an add-in from Anthropic. I'm using it in beta in this video. I'll ask Claude to insert a new category column and categorize each transaction based on payee names. I'm giving it specific categories to use: groceries, meals and entertainment, software and subscriptions, and so on, with examples so it knows exactly what I mean. I've put the full prompt in the description below. Claude is now reading through all the transactions. Google Ads, that's marketing. Marriott Hotels is a travel expense. QuickBooks Online, expensive software subscription. Claude uses the Payee column to quickly determine what each transaction is. Notice how Claude is telling you what it is thinking every step of the way. This is really useful insight in case you want to change or improve your prompt. Claude has inserted the category column ready for assignments. I've fast-forwarded about 30 seconds to get to the good stuff. Look at this. Every transaction now has a category: software and subscriptions, travel, meals and entertainment, marketing, office supplies. Claude figured it out. Now I'll ask Claude to create a pivot table on a new sheet. Categories as rows, months as columns, showing the sum of each category by month. I'm telling it to exclude the reconciliation information that Badbank provided. This prompt is also in the description below. You can modify the prompt with whatever views or formatting you would like. Now, let's fast forward about 15 seconds to get to the good stuff. In the new sheet called Expense Summary, I can see the pivot table and how much was spent in each category month by month: auto and gas, groceries, marketing, etc. If you want to try Claude in Excel, there's a link in the description to check on current availability. The data I used in this video is all synthetic and came from Badbank AI. Badbank converts bank and credit card PDFs into clean, standardized, reconciled data. There's a free tier and a link in the description. And if you want to see Claude Cowork organize messy tax documents like 1099s and W-9s, check out our Learning AI playlist. Subscribe to Badbank's Learning AI YouTube channel. We're building the AI accounting stack, so don't miss out.